Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a Selenite Gray Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. This one also comes with the lighting package, which is going to give you front and rear LED daytime running lights, adaptive high beam assist, black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. On the side we got blind spot assist, a brown ash wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, premium one package with heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. This also comes with the multimedia package, which is going to give you navigation with voice command, rear view backup camera, parking assistance package with the surround view backup camera and sensors, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 12,832 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.